Hi, my name is Arut, and for 18 years of experience in construction business, I used to work for architects, designers, and developers, and for the last 6 years, I'm a licensed general contractor in Los Angeles. Most of the mistakes that are done in any renovation or construction is usually made even before the construction started, on the stage where you confirming and finalizing your drawings, your layout, your whole concept of the project. Here's probably the best example of those mistakes. So here we can see a two-story house, the drawings that the client sent us so we can work on the quote for them. And this is the final drawings. While working on the quote, we realized that there are so many mistakes that we decided to make a list of suggestions to make before the construction starts. First is, here at the bottom, we have a beautiful lake right here. And this is the entrance to the house. So basically, the moment you enter into the house, first thing that you're gonna see, so you enter in the house, the first thing that you're gonna see actually is the stairs. This is your view, and you're not looking at the living room, you're gonna look at the custom-made metal stairs leading to the second floor. Second is the location of the powder room. Entering the house and getting right into the door to the powder room is annoying. Basically, if you look at the drawings right now, the powder room is kind of like in the center of the drawing, like it's in the center, it's in the center of the house. Remove this powder room, take a little bit of the space of the kitchen area, because this is such a waste of space. It's just gonna be like a shelf or something here with the windows, nothing much. And we can take this space and turn this powder room and move it right here. This is going to be powder room. So this space actually where the powder room is could be used for the staircase. So whenever you're entering the house, your view is not blocked by the stairs. So the stairs are going to be moved right here. Another thing is the kitchen. Just look at this kitchen. 24 feet kitchen, 23.7, 2 islands. 24 feet. Can you imagine how many feet you'll be walking every day between the stove, fridge, and the sink? And actually, the sink is, I don't know why, it's turned away from the stove. So basically, you took your veggies from the fridge, you came to the sink, you wash them, then you have to walk around the island to get to the stove, and then back to the sink. So you'll be constantly bumping to this corner of the island, and just the location is insane. So we recommend to get rid of one of the islands, make this island, if they want to have an island, make this island bigger and just incorporate the breakfast area into this island. You can make such beautiful transitions from the main island to the breakfast zone. They have so many beautiful options that I don't know why the architect decided to make 2 islands. Doesn't make any sense. And the third, probably the most common mistake, is location of the laundry room. So here's the laundry room. It's right next to the kitchen. I don't know why they decided to put there. It just, again, doesn't make any sense. But basically, you'll be walking. Let's say you're taking all the sheets and towels, whatever you have to take from the bedrooms. From one bedroom, you went to another bedroom, you went to the master, you collected all this stuff, you went through the staircase down, you get to the first floor, again, you went to the kitchen, get to the laundry room, you loaded your washer. Now you have to get back, making same trip to the second floor, walking between the bedrooms, doing whatever you have to do. And then you have to go back. You have to go back to move the stuff from the washer to the dryer. And then you have to go back to the second floor. So the walking distance is just insane. You'll be constantly on your feet. Instead, since we already moved the powder room, and the powder room is right here right now, so we gained this little space on the second floor. So right now we can use this space on the second floor for the powder room and put your washer and dryer right here. And instead of walking between the stairs, between the floors and through the kitchen, between the bedrooms, all that running, now you can easily collect all the stuff in the bedrooms, because Again, washer and dryer mostly is used for the stuff that is in the bedroom. So you can collect whatever you have to do in the bedrooms, loading your washer, your dryer, getting back. So everything is done on the same floor. You don't have to walk between the floors so much anymore. If you want to better understand any renovation project and be well prepared to finish your project on time and within the budget, check out my first video on the channel. Thank you and see you later.